Hello, baby. You look good. I have missed you a lot.
Oh, I missed you too. Max. Where's John?
What are you talking about? John came back from duty a month ago. Don't you know?
What do you mean he's back?
He should have been back a long time ago. Try call him, okay? Alright?
Yeah, I will. But his phone is still off. John, open the door, please. Your light is on, I can see it, John. Why didn't you talk?
Go away, Anne. I don't want to be with you.
That's nonsense. Open up.
Anne, the duty changed me. We can't be together.
What are you saying? I love you. You promised. We are going to be married. I waited for you all this time, John.
Well, it happens. I changed my mind. You have your life. I have mine. And, if I wanted to see you, I would definitely call you. And, I don't want to be with you. Don't you get it? I don't need you or anyone else. So, go and go.
I hate you. Do you hear me? Hate you. John, I hope you're in the bedroom already.
No, I'm in the seating room. Come in.
So, how are you today? I hope you feel better today. How is your legs?
Yeah, I'm feeling a little better today.
So, now I am going to check your legs now. I don't want anyone you say, and you have this woman. Excuse me, miss.
Anne, what are you doing here?
Mr. John can't be bothered right now.
Natalia, can I ask you for a glass water, please?
Sure. John, are you?
Why don't you say what I am? Come on, tell me. I'm not going to be able to walk again, Anne. I could die there, with that war. But now I'm sitting here next to you, like a disabled. Anne, I'm a disabled. Look at me. I was a hero. But I'm nothing now.
You are. You are a hero.
It doesn't make any difference.
I still love you.
Yeah, that's what you say now. But what are you going to say when I won't be able to get on the knee to propose to you? Or to dance at our wedding? And I can do anything. I'm disabled. A legless.
I still love you, no matter what.
And you are the most beautiful girl I have ever met. You don't deserve a man like me. You deserve a normal family, a normal husband, not a disabled. So, Anne, my life is already over. Go, Anne, go away.
Remember, 2 years ago, I got a terrible flu? We had just started dating and I was so afraid. But you sat by my bedside for all those 2 weeks. Bringing me tea, staying up all night. You know that I understood. That's what is love. Being together no matter what.
And there are a lot of good men with legs in the world.
Even if they have 10 legs, they are still not you.
And I love you so much. I can't my life without you. You are my life actually. But I am a disabled man. You don't deserve this.
You are able to love. That's the only thing I care about. John, will you be my husband?
Yes.